Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool Seat, showing you around this Seat Ateca that we have in stock. Got the Seat lighting, daytime running lights. So I'm walking around the car, show you every alloy to give you an idea of their condition. Walking around to the boot, I'll show you the inside. Got plenty of room in the boot. Got a parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. The seats do fold in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room. Show you the rear seats. Stepping into the driver's seat, show you the front seats. This car is a 6-speed manual. You get the electronic parking brake as well, and the brake hold. Down here you've got your power outlets, got dual zone climate control, got auto stop start, and then you've got your infotainment system here. So you've got all your different media sources. All your media sources. You've got Bluetooth hands-free audio. Got voice activated control. Satellite navigation. This car does come with full link, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your Mirror Link. And you have all your driving data as well. Click the menu button, brings you back to the main menu, so you can access all of that. And also on the main menu, you can access your AC, you can control it from your touchscreen. Onto the steering wheel, got all your media buttons on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, got the buttons for the trip computer in the middle of the speedometer. On the left indicator stalk, you've got your cruise control, your indicators, and on the right hand side you've got your wipers. Just to your right you have your lights dial, and then on your driver's door card you have your electrical mirrors, child lock, and all your windows. Quickly show you the last alloy. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you'd like any more information about this car, please contact the sales team where they'll provide you with a more detailed and personalised video of the car. We hope to hear from you soon.